everybody, come on in. Welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. This channel consists of making wreaths for all occasions. So with that said, let's get started. Today we are making another beautiful fall wreath. We are working with some beauties, some yellows, and some beigeish, tannish leaves. It's going to be a simple one. We got these bling blings. We got a piece of cotton. We got a pine cone. We also got this ornament. With these, when I bought these with some Joann's, some of these are recyclable. Anyway, first things first, how's everybody doing? Hope all is good. We are just going to put all of these yellows in. That's what we're going to start on first. Just roll them, put them in. I'm going to use your imagination and step back and visualize so you know what you're working with. Oh, look at these are kind of coming down, but we could just hide that under here and just make like an oval shape. Oval shape. There. That. Oh, how gorgeous. Working with these beautiful. I got these at Joann's. Okay, let's see. This one we're going to put right in here. Oh my. Then we're going to get our cans. Just work your way around with them. You know, just. Wow. How beautiful the colors go together. Pretty. Okay, let's get another one over here. Uh-oh, I think I gotta step back and visualize. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's kind of bend these around to have some on one side and some on the other side. There we go. There. Okay. How's it looking, everyone? Beautiful. Look at that. Can bend those. Let's get some of that yellow showing. And we're going to get another one, I think, right in here. There we go. Okay. Then I got, let me scoot it up a little bit over here. Forgot I got this beauty right here that we're just going to attach on here. And there we go. By the big bundles. There we go. Oh my, how that's that. Look, everybody. Beautiful. Straighten this out a little bit. Neat that it has wires. You can just put them the way you want to put them in. Let's get a little bit of cotton up here. Let's get some cotton going in there. And I think we're going to use a pine cone. See, maybe I'll put one right there. How's that looking, everybody? And with that said, I think we got it. We were just going to get a little bling bling going in here. And let's put them up on the pedestal. Pa-pam! Oh my gosh, everybody. Oh, wow. So with that said, thanks for coming to my channel. And pa-pam! There it is. Oops, my camera. Oh, hello. The different colors and excuse the lights, but let me adjust my camera. Oh, wow. Okay. Thanks for viewing my channel, and there'll be much more. There's October is coming. I think I'm going to be going one more fall wreath, and then we're going to get into some Halloween. Oh, so that's it. Thanks again. I appreciate it much for the subscribers, the viewers, and let's just be happy and peace to the world. See ya. Oh, and have a fun, happy, fun fall.